Today, I'm going to show you how to remove tricky backgrounds from fur and hair in Photoshop without hours of painstaking manual erasing. If you've ever tried cutting out a subject with curly hair, furry pets, or anything wispy, you know what a challenge those little strands can be. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to use Photoshop's latest smart tools to achieve clean, natural-looking cutouts, even with the most tangled fur or wild hair. Let's dive straight in. With the newest version of Photoshop, removing backgrounds has become much easier and a lot smarter. Gone are the days when you needed to zoom way in and tediously erase between every individual hair. Now, Photoshop uses AI-powered detection to recognize fur and hair textures, so you get a remarkably accurate result with just a few clicks. Here's how you do it. First, with your image open, head over to the right side of your screen to the Layers panel. Make sure your subject layer is selected. Now, look at the Properties panel. If you don't see it, you can always go to Window and then choose Properties. You'll spot a section called Quick Actions. In there, there's a button labeled Remove Background. Go ahead and click that. This is often all you need. Photoshop will instantly work its magic and generate a mask that cuts away the background around your subject. For fur and hair, the algorithm tries to keep all those fine little details, so you get a natural edge rather than a chunky outline. It's pretty impressive and usually saves tons of time. But let's say your subject has especially curly hair or superfine fur, and Photoshop misses a few bits. Don't worry, that's completely normal, especially with complex textures. Here's where you take control. In the Layers panel, you'll notice a mask thumbnail has appeared on your subject's layer. That's the mask Photoshop generated for you. Double-click directly on that mask thumbnail. Not the image, just the mask. This action takes you into the mask properties, letting you fine-tune the edges. Now, you're in the mask editor. Find the Refine Edge button. This is like your secret weapon for difficult areas. When you click Refine Edge, Photoshop brings up tools specifically designed to handle tricky backgrounds and delicate details. Take a moment to carefully look at the edge of your subject, zooming in if needed. Notice any background bits left tangled in the hair or fur. To fix these, select the Refine Brush tool and gently paint over those areas. Photoshop will analyze the pixels right around your brush and try to separate the background from the actual hair or fur strands, giving you a more realistic and soft cutout. Remember, this part might take a few moments depending on your image size and how intricate the edges are. If the first pass isn't perfect, don't be discouraged. Sometimes you need to go over especially tough spots once or twice. If you accidentally erase part of the hair, you can use the Undo button or switch back to the regular brush to tidy things up. It's kind of like sculpting. You're shaping your subject's outline until it looks clean and natural. After you've refined your edges and you're happy with the result, hit OK in the mask editor. That's it. Your subject should now stand out cleanly, even those delicate fur or wild curls. You can place it over a new background, use it in a composite, or leave it with a transparent background. It really opens up tons of creative possibilities. So with these simple steps, you don't need fancy brushwork or hours of hassle. Your furry friends or frizzy hair portraits will look fantastic against any backdrop, and all in just a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a particular kind of subject you struggle to cut out. Make sure you subscribe for more Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.